This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Gustavo Serpa. This one-bedroom condo is Florida living done right. This super cozy condo is fully furnished with a beautiful fresh coat of paint, laminate flooring as well as carpet throughout. It has a new AC installation, done 2019. This inviting community is well maintained, with an on-site pool and convenient parking. Perfectly located near the Courtney Campbell Causeway Trail, Courtney Campbell Causeway Beach and just minutes from Clearwater Beach. Conveniently located 5 minutes away from downtown Safety Harbor. This bright and clean move-in ready unit won't disappoint. For more information, review the details below.